Unlock all the pizzas. Unlock all the Get rid of ads. A subscription will give you full access to the game. Hey, let's make some pizza. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! Cones ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! A stone ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Good job! The pizza was delicious. Tap the Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients. El Diablo! Put the necessary items into the basket. Salami, red pepper. Correct. Baking powder. Perfect. Jalapeno. Well done. Eggs. Halfway through. A lemon. Right. Garlic. Correct. Cheese. Right. Mushrooms. You're doing great. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. It's time to make some pizza. We need to grate this. This needs to be cut. This needs to be cut. This needs to be cut. Peel some garlic. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Just a little left. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! Oh no! The car's covered in snow. Watch out! A stone ahead. Watch out! Cones ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered. Purchase a subscription and feed all your friends. Purchase a subscription and make all the pizzas. A subscription will give you full access to the game. Purchase a subscription and feed all your friends. A subscription will give you full access to the game.